If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new video updates. Assalamualaikum all of you all, how are you? I hope you all are fine, and today I would like to tell you about some products which are from MAC Cosmetics, and I have few products which I have been using from a very long time, so I really wanted to give some experience of my that products. So there are some foundations which I have been using from MAC Cosmetics, which are my favorite foundations from them. This is a moisturizing SPF 15 foundation from MAC Cosmetic, and I have two shades in them. One is NC30 and the another one is NC20, because this one is a bit darker for me and this one is a bit lighter for me. So what I do, I just mix them up and then I use them. Okay, so I'll show you how it gives me a formula. This is, you can see the difference between the two shades. What I do, I just mix them up a little bit like this, and they give me a very nice formula. And this foundation is a full coverage foundation, which I really liked about it. It is a very full coverage foundation, and it does not give that cakey result to your face. It moisturizes your face, and it lasts you long, like for 16 to 20 hours at least if you wear this. So it's a very nice formula, and it covers all your blemishes, all your dark circles also. It is good for applying on dark circles also. This will cover up your foundation. This will cover up all your pigment or all your dark spots and all your blemishes on your skin. So these are my favorite foundation for like applying for full coverage, you can say. Like mostly I don't apply full coverage foundations every day, but when I'm going in any event or like any party or any wedding, I apply this kind of full coverage foundations. Okay, then I have this Prep and Prime stick, which is also for dry skin. You can see this is the stick, and this is for prep and priming your skin who are having a dry skin. So what you have to do is just apply a bit amount like this, and then rub it on your skin like this. Okay, I bought this because my skin is very dry. I bought it because of that reason, but honestly I'm not happy with this Prep and Prime stick, because it's in a very sticky form. So when you apply this to your foundation, a little bit amount, then it's okay, but you apply a very huge amount of this one, then it gives you a very like cakey type of look to your skin after applying the foundation. Then I have this MAC Cosmetic Pro Long Concealer. This is in the shade, I think this is in a shade NC35. Yeah, this is in a shade NC35, and it is a more darker shade. And you can see that I'll show you. This is the shade NC35. If you have dark circles, then this is the shade which will cover up your full dark circles, and when you will apply this foundation on it, it will fully cover your dark circles around your eye area and wrinkles around your eye area. Then I have this MAC Cosmetic Compact Powder. You can see I have used this compact powder a lot. So this is a very nice compact powder, and it gives a very nice effect to your foundation, and this is in the shade medium golden. So this is a bit darker shade. I will recommend, if you're using this foundation, take a bit little lighter shade. I didn't knew at that time, so I mistake by taking it in a very dark shade, but it will cover up all your foundation, and it will give a very nice soft look to your foundation. See, then I have this Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This is a lightweight foundation of MAC Cosmetic, and I'll show you here. This is a lightweight of foundation, and it is also used, this is basically used for everyday use. If you want to use it for everyday, it is a very nourishing waterproof foundation. So if your skin is oily or sweat, when you're having sweat on your skin, it's sweaty, it will not make your skin look greasy or oily. It will last you long all day. So it's a very nice all day foundation. And then I'm having this, sorry for this one, and then I'm having this MAC full coverage foundation. This is a compact foundation, and this is also full coverage foundation. So what you have to do is take a dump sponge or sponge type thing, and then put on the this MAC creamy type foundation. You can see this is in a creamy type, and then apply this on your face. It will give you a very good full coverage on your face. There will be a full coverage for the blemishes, and for like dark spots if you're having, it will give a very good coverage for that. So these are my favorite foundations and favorite things from MAC Cosmetic. I'm actually in love with the foundation mostly from MAC Cosmetic, and for the concealer, because this will give you a very full coverage. They will cover your dark circles, your blemishes, your dark spots, your wrinkles. And if you are planning for going to a wedding or any event or any party, and you want a very good foundation to cover up all your blemishes and all, then I'll recommend you to buy this MAC Cosmetic foundation and this concealer, and go for a lighter shade for the compact powder. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon. I'll be soon back inshallah with good more videos. Take care. Bye bye.